Yeah, now we should enter fourth B, second bit here. Coming to second bit, I think I told you the complete chapter is we are able to find the roots. If they are directly just find the roots means we has to find one root for using Taylor method, other roots by using analysis. So if they mention the conditions means the condition which will be helping to do the problem within easy way. That is what the main reason they will mention the conditions to do the problem easy way. Right, we'll enter into the second bit. What is the second bit here? Or read the second bit first question. The equation
Solve
is
9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1.
Mr. Kushal, please solve the equation of 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1. That is not they mention. They mention some condition. Okay, given that they mention some condition. What they mention? Given that two roots are equal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think how many roots you are having? Three roots.
3.
Example alpha, beta, gamma. You has to take three roots. The condition is what they mentioned. The condition, the question. Two roots are equal. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So I should
Yes,
take
sir.
alpha is equal to beta for my convenient. Okay. So whenever they mention the conditions in the question, you has to do one thing. First of all, you has to write S1, S2, S3. That is the first condition. S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma. How much the value? Minus of minus 15 it becomes plus 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second condition alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha. This is S2 directly plus 7. Third condition alpha beta gamma. Yeah, it make it out. Yes, 15 by 9. This is 7 by 9. Then it is becomes minus of minus. It
1 by
becomes
3.
1 by 9. This is 1 right.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
1 right. So minus of minus 1 by 9. Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Bad. Yeah. Alpha beta gamma. This is what S1, S2, S3. S1, S2, S3. By now.
Yes, 3.
S1, S2, S3. This is the condition here. Just now I told you, right, when you're writing, this is a condition, precondition, I forgot. When you're writing this equation, I told you P2 by P1, P3 by like this, P4 by like this you write. For 15 by 9, 7 by 9, and 1 by 9. Like this, you has to do it. Okay. This is what S1, S2, S3 conditions. Okay. After writing S1, S2, S3, what you has to do is here, then you apply your condition. Alpha, beta, gamma, substitute here. Which equations will be easy for you? Those equations you can use. Here we are not supposed to specify for S1, S2, S3, which you has to use. That is options are yours. Which is comfortable to you, then you can use it out. Okay. Right, I'll substitute alpha is equal to beta S1. What is going to happening is that beta plus I'll substitute alpha. What is going to happening is that here 2 alpha plus gamma. I'm substituting wherever beta is there. I'm substituting it as alpha. Okay. So what is getting 2 alpha plus gamma is equal to how much? 15 by 9. Okay. Then here alpha square plus what are you getting? Here you write here beta plus alpha gamma 2 alpha gamma is equal to 7 by 9. Then here what you get alpha square gamma is equal to 1 by 9. This is the story. Okay. Here how many equations here? How many equations? 1, 2, 3. How many
2, 3.
variables? How many variables? Only two variables. What are those variables? Alpha, gamma. Here how many equations? 1, 2, 3. How many variables? Three equations, three variables. It means solution is exist. You have to do your procedure, your solution are going to get. Then after that, this three variable equations you're converting into two variables equations. Am I clear? Two variables, three equations. It means two equations is enough to solve two variables. Okay. What are the two equations I'll take? I'm trying to take these two equations for my convenient. Okay. Let us take, I'll take a first equation. First equation, I'll take gamma is equal to what can I write? Can I write 15 by 9 into 2 alpha? 15 by 9 minus 2 alpha. Are you clear?
Yes,
Gamma
sir.
is equal to 15 by 9 into 2 alpha. This gamma is equal, let us take in equation number 4. This equation number 4, you substitute equation number 2. Okay. What is the equation number 2? Alpha square 2 alpha gamma is equal to how much?
7 by 9.
7 by 9. Goodbye. 7 by 9. This is equation number 2. What is equation number 4? Gamma is equal to 15 by 9 minus 2 alpha. Equation number 4. This equation number 4, you substitute into equation number 2. What is going to get? Alpha square plus 2 alpha. Gamma is equal to what? 15 by 9 minus 2 alpha is equal to 7 by 9. This is equation number 5. Okay. Can you solve this equation? Because second order equation, right? After you simplify, you are going to get a simple equation. I don't want to waste your time. I'll write directly the equation because I was already solved. 27 alpha square 30 alpha plus 7 is equal to 0. Once you simplify this equation becomes like this. Am I clear? It's very simple. I don't want to waste your time. So once you solve this, let us take an equation number 5. Just modification. Solve equation number 5. Second order equation, options are yours. Whatever the things you can use, then you can use it. You can get simple answer. After solving this, you are going to get alpha is equal to 1 by 3 or 7 by 9. There are two options out there. Okay. Here go for a solutions answers I'm trying to showcase for you. Let us take case 1. Alpha is equal to case 1 I'm writing. Alpha is equal to 1 by 3. What about value of beta? 1 by 3 because both are same. What about gamma? Because I think you know gamma is equal to what? 5 by 3 minus 2 alpha. Am I clear? It's so 5 by 3 minus 2 into 1 by 3. Am I clear? It's so how much you get here? 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. How much you get?
1, sir.
3 by 3. Answer is 1. So case 1, how much you got? 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1. Okay. Go to second case. Second case means alpha is equal to 7 by 9. Huh? Yeah, 7 by 9. So beta is equal to what? Gamma is equal to 5 by 9 minus 2 into 7 by 9. How much you got? 7 2 is 14. 14 minus 7. Sorry, 14 minus 5. 9 by 9. Answer is 1. Do it very clearly. How much you get? Minus minus kada. Minus 9 by 9 kada. Am I clear? Minus 1.
3 1s are 3.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
14 kada. 14 minus 5. Minus 9 by 9. Answer is minus 1. Okay. This is a clear. So there was a small question here. What is going to happening here? It is minus 1 by 9, right? Right. But out of this, how many roots actually the third order equation processing? How many roots exactly? Only 3 values, right? Either this
Yes,
set
sir.
has to satisfy either this set. Either no set to satisfy only. Both should not be answered. But there is one condition is there. I'll check it out. Out of 3, what is the alpha, beta, gamma is equal? What is the answer they mentioned? S3 value, intera wali. Alpha, beta, gamma, 1 by 9. Am I clear, right? If you multiply alpha, beta, gamma, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1. How much you get? 1 by 9. Am I clear? So
Yes,
this
sir.
answer correct. Verification is done. This answer 7 by 9, 7 by 9, 1. How much you get? You're not supposed to getting, right? 7 by 9, 7 by 9, 49 by 81 into minus 1, minus 49 by 81. Is it correct? No. So these roots are not valid. It means we can say, I think there are two options are there here. This is not supposed to be valid because the condition is not satisfying. So you can say alpha is equal to 1 by 3 is going to be selected. This is not going to be selected because this is violating our condition. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we can finalize the answers are these are answers. So we can say final answer alpha is equal to 1 by 3, beta is equal to 1 by 3, gamma is equal to 1. Clear? Good. Like
Yes,
this,
sir.
by using a condition out of this S1 S2 S3, which is a comfortable, those values you can do it and move forward. Right. Please, shall I move to next question? Right. Second question. Please read fast.
Given that one root of 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0 is double the other root, find the roots of the equation.
They're asking, please find the roots. Please, I want the roots alpha, beta, gamma. But my condition is one root is double of other root. One root is double of other root. So I take alpha is one root. It is double of other root. Alpha is equal to, can I make it 2 beta? Whatever you take, sir, why you take alpha is equal to beta, can I take beta is equal to alpha, or can I take gamma is equal to alpha? Whatever you take, answer is correct only. Nothing wrong in that, because these are variables which you comfortable, you can take it out. Nothing wrong in that. Okay. This is a condition. Now let us write S1 alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 3 by 2. Second alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is equal to how much? Minus 8 by 2. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 3 by 2. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes.
After this, equation 1, 2, and 3, then after please substitute your condition here. Substitute here. After rewriting equation, what you're going to get it out? Alpha is equal to 2 beta, right? So 2 beta, 2 beta, 3 beta. Am I clear, right? 3 beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3 by 2. Are you following me or not?
Yes.
Then after here you writing alpha beta, right? Alpha beta, then after write what you are going to get it out after substituting here. Alpha beta means beta is equal to 2 alpha. What you are going to get? 2 beta square. Then after both are same, right? Alpha is equal to 2 beta here. Here also 2 beta. Then you take it is common gamma. Then it becomes a 3 beta gamma. Then it becomes how much you are going to get it out? Minus 4. Okay. Because this is not required, because I don't want to touch, because this is enough. S1 S2 is enough to me. This is equation number 4. Equation number 5 till is write it out.
No, sir.
Alpha is equal to 2 beta square. So here alpha is equal to 2 beta. So after that you can take it is 2 beta 2 beta. So 2 beta gamma 2 beta gamma. So beta gamma. So automatically 3 beta gamma. Clear? Next I am trying to take here from this. I'll write gamma is equal to, can I write minus 3 by 2 minus 3 beta? Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. This is equation number 5. This equation number 5, I'm substituting in equation number, equation number 6. Substitute in equation number 5. What are you going to get? 2 beta square plus 3 beta. Gamma is equal to how much? Minus 3 by 2 and 3 beta. This is equal to minus 4. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is a single variable. After you simplify this equation complete in beta. This after you simplification, you are going to get 14 beta square. I am writing directly answer. 9 beta minus 8 is equal to 0. This is second order equation in terms of beta. Okay. Now let us try to solve this equation. 14 beta square plus 9 beta minus 8 is equal to 0. After solving this, you are going to get the answers are beta is equal to 1 by 2 or beta is equal to minus 8 by 9. You have two options. Okay. So let us case first one. Beta is equal to 1 by 2 means what is the value of alpha? What is the condition of alpha? Alpha is equal to 2 beta, right?
Double of.
Yeah,
Yes,
double
sir.
of. So 2 of 1 by 2. Answer is 1. What is gamma is equal to? Minus 3 by 2 into 3 beta. Am I clear? 2 alpha, right?
Yes.
Minus 3 by 2 into 3 beta, right? So minus 3 by 2 into 3 into beta is equal to 1 by 2. What is the answer you are going to get?
Uh,
Do it fast and tell me.
minus 3.
The minus 6 by 2 becomes minus 3. Okay. Now you
Yes.
can finalize your answers. What are the answers here? Alpha is equal to 1.
1.
Beta is equal to 1 by 2.
1 by
Gamma is
2.
equal to minus 3.
Minus 3.
This is one set. Check the condition. If conditions are satisfied, this answer is correct. Okay. Alpha, beta, gamma is equal to what? What is the value of S3? Minus 3 by 2.
Yes.
Check the condition here. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. These answers are correct only. Okay. Am I
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Right? Yeah. Try to check it out. For second condition is beta is equal to minus 8 by 9. So alpha is equal to minus 16 by 9 because double of this. Gamma is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 into beta, beta minus 8 by 9. This after you simplify, you are going to get gamma is equal to 75 by 14. If you multiply gamma, alpha, beta, you are not supposed to get 3 by 2. These roots are not correct. This answer is not valid. This answer going to be finalized. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the way you have to use the condition and try to go back and find it out. Now switch on to the third question. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we switch on to the third question. Make it fast. Read the third question here.
Solve x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equals to 0, given that two of the roots are in the ratio 3:2.
Please, I want the answers alpha, beta, gamma. That is clear. They mention the condition here. I have a roots. There are two roots. Alpha, beta are in the ratio of 3 by 2. This is one condition here. So from this you can write 2 alpha is equal to 3 beta. Nothing wrong in that here. Clear, right? So beta is equal to 2 alpha by 3. This I changed. Okay. Anyway, whatever you write it down, the answer is here. First of all, S1, S2, S3, write it down. S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus of minus plus 9. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is equal to how much? 14. Alpha beta gamma is equal to how much? Minus 24. Clear? After this, your duty to what? 1, equation number 1, 2, 3. This is a 4. Please substitute beta value in all cases. If you substitute in the first case, what you are going to get it out? Alpha is equal to 2 alpha by 5, right? Beta is equal, right? Alpha plus 2 alpha by 3 plus gamma is equal to 9. After the simplify, please find the gamma is equal to what? I can write the gamma is equal to 9 minus 5 alpha by 3. After simplify, send back to right side. Okay. This gamma,
Yes,
this you simplify 5 gamma. This you can write equation number 5. Then after this, you simplify in the second equation here. What are you going to get? Second one. Beta is equal to 2 alpha by, right? So 2 by 3 alpha square plus let us take a gamma is you can take common plus alpha plus beta I can write it out for your convenient is equal to 14. So beta value substitute in the alpha. So 2 by 3 alpha square gamma is equal to what can you write? This is substitute directly now only. 9 minus 5 alpha by 3 plus alpha plus beta how much Nana? Can I write an alpha plus beta is equal to 9
yeah.
minus gamma?
9. Yes, sir.
Oh, 9 minus gamma, right? Okay. Other way also you can write
9.
9 minus gamma. Okay, 9 minus gamma. Alpha plus beta. 9 minus gamma. Or else like this you go. Gamma is equal to 9 minus 5 alpha by right. Okay. Alpha plus beta is equal to in terms of gamma 9 minus gamma. Okay. Gamma is equal to 5 alpha by 3, right? Okay. And after that alpha plus beta 5 alpha by 3. Okay. Okay. Alpha is equal, right? Okay. Right. This is you can do it out. Okay. Clear, right?
Yes.
If alpha is 9 minus gamma. Okay. 9 minus gamma. That we can substitute out is equal to 14. Then here this is alpha, right? This is gamma. Then gamma is equal to how much? Again, there was a problem. You see, you need to substitute here, resubstitute.
9 minus
Clear?
5 alpha by 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. After this,
Yes.
the complete equation becomes alpha. Okay. Are you going to follow me or not?
Yes, sir.
This is in alpha. No problem. Here it is gamma. Here it is alpha plus beta. So alpha is okay, satisfied. Or if it is feeling it is tough, do it simple way. I'll motivate you. Other than this, you don't write. This gamma you write and write. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? 2 gamma by 3, right? You can write down 2
Yes,
gamma
sir.
by 3. How much you get? 5 gamma by 3, right? 3
Yes.
gamma plus 2, 5 gamma. Then you after complete you simplify. Am I clear? It's
Yes, sir.
complete becomes an alpha. It's 2 alpha, right? 2 alpha. 5 alpha by 3. Complete becomes alpha. After this equation completely you simplify, you are going to get an answer. I'll write the equation in terms of alpha. It is second order, or 19 alpha square minus 135 alpha plus 126 is equal to 0. This is second order equation. After simplifying, you are going to get an alpha is equal to 21 by 9 or alpha is equal to 6. This you are going to get an alpha, two equations. Alpha is equal to 21 by 9, gamma is alpha is equal to 6. There are two options are there. Which is comfortable, you will move forward that option only. Okay. So let
Yes.
us, you can take it is two cases are there. I'll try to working on that with alpha is equal to 6. If an alpha is equal to 6, what is the value of beta? Beta is equal to 2 alpha by 3, right? So 2, 6 by 3. Answer is 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Alpha is equal to 6. The beta is equal to 4. What is the gamma value? Gamma, what is the answer? 9 minus?
9 minus 5 alpha by 3.
Goodbye. How much you going to get? Please substitute alpha is equal to 6 here. If you simplify, you are going to get the answer is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the
Minus
value you
1.
are going to get? Alpha is equal to 6, beta is equal to 4, gamma is equal to minus 1. But is it my answers are correct or not? Please go for S3. Alpha, beta, gamma, what is the answer here? Alpha, beta, gamma, what are the answers? Minus 24, right?
Minus 2024. Yes, sir.
6 4 are 24 into minus 1, minus 24. These answers are going to correct only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you take, I'm not supposed to touch here. If you take alpha is equal to this, then try to find beta, then try to find gamma. It might not be satisfy this condition. That is what this I'm not supposed to enter. Okay.
Yes.
If you have any
Yes.
doubt, you can go into that, look into that. You'll go to understand the problem how you are facing here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is what this complete the thing is going to happening is this. Third is over. Okay. Right. Now we are turning back to that next fourth question.
Fourth.
These are all LKG models. Fourth question. What is the fourth question? Read fast.
Solve the following equations given that the roots of the each are in AP.
Yeah. Fourth bit. First question or second question. The roots are in AP. Answer is roots are in AP. Once the roots are in AP, please do one condition here. You has to assumption alpha, beta,
Yes.
gamma are
Gamma.
A minus D, A,
A
A plus
minus
D.
2D.
Okay.
Yes, sir. A plus.
This is the way you can take it out. After that, I
Yes,
think
sir.
we know summation of roots you can do it out. S1 you take.
Yes, sir.
S1 you take means what you're going to get it out?
36
This cancel.
by 8.
So 3A
Yes.
is get. 3A is equal some answer you'll get. Okay. From this you'll get A answer. Okay.
Yes,
Once you
sir.
find A means you got one answer. Beta.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Once beta you know by using a Heron's formula, Heron's method, by using what you're going to get out. Like this you do, right? Beta is equal to minus 3. You'll get second order equation. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
The second order equation you'll solve, you'll get other roots, alpha and gamma.
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes.
So
Yes,
like
sir.
this you can do for two questions. AP is there.
Yes, sir.
Please take it S1 you can use. M usually what you can use? S1
SP. I mean AP. AP.
AP. Okay.
In AP, we can use as a alpha
S1.
plus sum of the product. First
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Now next first one is AP. Next second
GP.
question. Yeah, second one go. Fifth question GP. The roots are in GP means alpha, beta, gamma. You has to take like this. A by R, A into R. Here what you take? S3 you can take.
Yes, sir.
S3 you
Product.
can take means
Alpha, beta,
product you're
gamma.
going to get. This here right? Product will take. A RR cancel, you'll get A cube. Some answer A is equal to whole power 1 by 3. Once you get one root, A is equal to math, beta you got right. Once beta you got same procedure, other third order equation you convert into second order as like a previous model.
Herons. Yes, sir.
Errands will get it out. I don't
Yes,
want to
sir.
touch that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fifth question is done. Last question, sixth one.
6 HP.
Yeah, see HP. This I'll try to touch for your convenient. Take HP question. Let us I'll take HP. Whenever HP is there, don't take HP condition. First you take HP question. Let question you can take f of x is equal to 6x cube minus 11x square plus
Plus
6x
6x
minus 1
minus 1
is equal to 0. So it
equals
is
to
equation.
0.
This equation is in HP. Okay? This equation having the roots are in HP. Am I clear? This having some roots. That roots are in HP. So I will convert now equation HP into AP by making x plus this substitute by 1 by x. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So f of x tends to f of 1 by x. What are you going to get? 6 times of 1 by x whole cube minus 11 1 by x whole square plus 6 1 by x minus 1. Okay. After you simplify, I'm directly writing it out. I don't want to waste your time. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation in what format now? AP. Previously to HP, now it's converted into.
Now in AP.
So
AP.
this we can do as like a problem number 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now take fresh question. This is the question. To take these are an AP. Now you take A minus D plus A
Yes, one.
minus D, A plus D. This you cancel. 3A is equal to minus of minus 6A. So A is equal to 2. So beta is equal to 2. Fix. After that, do same thing. The method
Helen.
for
Yes.
this equation, not this equation. This equation already out. For this you do,
Yes,
then
sir.
the roots will going to work possible using for this also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here the concept is simple. Whenever the harmonic progression is there, that question of harmonic progression you're converting into the arithmetic progressions. Then you do the procedure like AP. The answer will get the
Yes,
correct
sir.
equation that is same to the previous one. So
Yes.
this is the way we need to working it out for sixth question here. Okay, am I clear, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Then seventh question and
7.
coming seventh question, then coming to that third bit, then we'll finish by tomorrow. Okay. Till this, I am trying to stop.